Alright guys, we are here at the coil event and these are just the spectators or the guest parking lot. Look what we have here, an Agera RS 277.9 miles per hour. Look at this livery though. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? Look what we have here. Mr. Pagani Horacio himself in the Wyra, BC, guys. Driving his own personal Wyra to the coil event.
Excuse me, man. Your car is incredible. What do you do for a living? Just curious.
He doesn't speak English.
Oh, any industry that he works in?
He is Horacio Pagani
Oh, really?
himself.
Okay. Thank you so much for creating this beautiful machine. Holy shit.
Mr. Pagani himself. Two F50s rolling in to the coil event parking lot. Nice. The Spectator parking lot itself is already a show. Look at all these epic cars already. It's crazy.
You actually? I mean, you had me fooled. Any industry you work in?
I'm retired.
Retired. What did you do before? Give me a little something.
No. I'd rather not.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
All right, man of secrets.
Thanks, man.
Forget about the F50s. Look at this guy. Does he look like a little bit like older Owen Wilson right there? Owen Wilson checking out the Ferrari F50, guys. Lol.
Why can't I get a clearance myself?
Look at the license plate. Epic win. I think these, both of these are from Canada.
It's just normal. Yeah, right. Here it's a daily driver. We followed you in traffic. We're late.
Nice. There's a discrimination here at the parking. The more expensive your car is, the better parking spot you have.
At a 918.
Carrera GT.
Carrera GT.
Yeah.
I saw it. God, in a just out of the rare place. I mean, like.
We actually
We got
do
Itsdanielmac there.
staffing.
Okay, staffing. Interesting. How do you get into that? Is it just
Lots of years.
how do you get into it?
You got 600 LT, GD3 RS with a white sack package. Nice. Nice.
Buy a couple houses before I get that one.
Yeah, there you go.
Where you want? Hey.
Send that to me.
You got one more?
Yeah, one more.
That's still the one put right here.
Ooh, CGT.
Right here. I'll get you so much petrol if you rev it. Yeah, man, I'll do that. Right here, right.
This is just the Spectator lot here, guys. Yes. Not only is this a Murcielago, but it is gated. The legendary gated Murcielago right here, guys. Such a gem. And look at the license plate. Gated. Nice. The pre-LP Gallardos always sound so awesome. And guess what? It is gated. Respect. Respect to this. A gated Gallardo.
Yeah. Dachshunds. That's one of my 2 dachshunds.
Nice.
I made that and put that on there.
Oh. Very cool. 430 Scuderia in yellow.
So this thing, how much?
Very nice.
It's got a 12
Super clean. One of my all-time favorite car. Look at this Mini here.
I'm willing to bet I could take on any car in this lot. Oh yeah, this thing is the carving king, honestly.
Nice. A blue 488 with gold wheels. 2 very classic cars right here.